Top law enforcement in Spokane County and across the state considering expelling the Pierce County Sheriff from the Washington Association of Sheriffs and Police Chiefs after a testimony made against a law enforcement bill in the Senate committee in Olympia.
Today, KREM 2's Connor McAvoy talked to the Spokane County Sheriff and shares his reaction.
And when you try to remove me from office, thousands of Pierce County residents will surround the county city building in downtown Tacoma and will not allow that to happen.
This is the moment during a hearing this week on Senate Bill 5974 that's sparking concern from top law enforcement statewide. Pierce County Sheriff Keith Swank telling lawmakers what he says would be the consequences of the bill becoming law. Spokane County Sheriff and President of the Washington Association of Sheriffs and Police Chiefs, John Knowles, says while he stands with Sheriff Swank in opposition of the bill, that's as far as his loyalty goes.
It's not so much what he said about the bill. In fact, it has nothing to do with that.
In its wording, background checks for law enforcement would need to be approved by the Criminal Justice Training Commission as well as the Washington State Patrol. If passed, this could remove law enforcement if they fail to follow certification rules. Several members of the Washington Association of Sheriffs and Police Chiefs argue the bill goes too far, including Sheriff Knowles.
This bill essentially and functionally removes the voice of the voters in the state of Washington in who leads their law enforcement organizations.
Knowles also says the behavior made towards lawmakers on Thursday is unacceptable.
I just have no patience for people who devolve down into the kind of statements that were made in that meeting.
Sheriff Knowles says WASPIC is going to consider expelling Sheriff Swank from the association and vote on the matter at a later date. He says if he is expelled, he will no longer be an association member, but no WASPIC benefits, including training or legislative advocacy, will be taken away from the office itself.
No one but the voters should have the ability to remove a sheriff from office.
We reached out to the Pierce County Sheriff's Office. They say they're not commenting at this time. Connor McAvoy, KREM 2 News.